Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm showing the Shein blazer makeover. This blazer is from the haul that I just recently shared, and I will link that video below in case you want to check it out. But this blazer was one that I didn't really like that much, so I just made a few changes to see if I would like it better, and I'm going to show you really quick what I did to change it. But before I do that, I wanted to share this blazer here. This is one that was also from that haul that I forgot about. I don't know how I feel about this one just yet. If I find the right outfit, it might work, but so far I don't really know if I like it too much. But this is what it looks like, and I'm going to jump right into updating this other blazer right now. So if you're interested in how it turns out, then I hope you keep watching. So here I'm just putting the blazer together. So I'm lining up the bottom seam with on both sides and just smoothing it down. I'm putting my cutting pad underneath here, and I'm using some binder clips to hold everything in place because I need to make an even cut, and I want it to be completely straight all the way across. So I'm putting binder clips across the bottom to hold everything together. And then I'm using this rotary cutter just to make that straight line all the way over. And now I'm just left with the cropped blazer. So at this point I have the pocket part hanging out, so I'm just cutting off those pockets. And now I'm trying to decide where to put the seam, so I'm just folding it up. And of course I have the pocket flaps still there. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with those yet, so I'm just putting some pins in here to secure the hem so I can see what I want to do. And now the pocket flaps are hanging down, so I decide to just fold the material all the way up to the bottom of the pocket flap, not higher but just right underneath that. So this is what that looks like. The pocket flaps have not been cut, they are right in place, and I'm just going to sew right across the line where the pins are. And this is what the jacket looks like, just like that, after I sewed it. But it's a little wide for me. I don't like how it's baggy in the back, so I want to take care of that. So I'm just going to sew a quick seam down the back to tighten this part up. So here I have the jacket folded on its back down the middle seam. Thankfully there is a seam there, so I can evenly space it out with my finger, and then I'm just putting a pin here, and this is where I'm going to start the sewing. I'm going to sew it straight at a slant so that it gets thinner as I get to the top. And then I'm just showing the bottom hem, how everything looks from the inside. This is that middle part. This is all the way over to the other side. And then here I'm just showing how the middle part looks. I could easily sew this flattened out, but it falls fine on either side, so I don't really think I need to do anything there.